Hi, friends. Today we're going to continue talking about subtraction. Yesterday we watched a video on five speckled frogs, and we got to see that every time that they jumped and went away, we lost some of those frogs. So some of them were being taken away. So that's the idea of subtraction. We started with a total, some go away or are taken away, and then we try to find out how many are left. So today we're going to listen to and watch another little nursery rhyme, a song it's called Five Little Ducks, and you're going to see how those ducks swim away. So every time a duck swims away, I want you to count how many are left. So let's listen to the story, and then when we're finished, I'm going to show you the strategy of the crossing out strategy, and we will use a number sentence and a number bond to help us to solve that. All right, so let's listen carefully and watch Five Little Ducks.
Oh, look! There's five little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. 1, 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but no little ducks came swimming back. Sad Mother Duck went out one day over the hill and far away. The sad Mother Duck said, quack, 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 and all the five little ducks came back.
Okay, so now we got to see how those five little ducks swam away and how we lost some of the ducks every time they went away. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take a look at a picture that is going to help us to solve this problem. Okay, so Mrs. Huber drew a picture of some ducks. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. And we can see that this is down below. This is a number sentence. Okay, let's read the number sentence. It says 5 minus or take away 2. So the 5 tells us how many ducks we are starting with. The 2 tells us how many we are taking away. So let's look here. Let's count the number of ducks that we have. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 is our first number in our number sentence. There are 5 ducks. And how many ducks are we going to take away? We're going to take away 2. So 5 is what we start with, and 2 is how many take away. This is called our equal sign or equal symbol. And after that, we write the number of how many are left. So let's do the crossing out strategy to help us to solve 5, take away 2. So how many am I crossing off? I'm good. I'm crossing off 2. So let's cross off 2 together. 1, 2. Okay, now I want to know how many ducks are left. Let's count the ones that are not crossed off, or how many are left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So the number 3 is the number that I'm going to write right here. Because this is how many, the number 3 is how many ducks are left, right? 1, 2, 3. Very good. So now let's go over here to our number bond. Remember when we did addition, we learned that the circle up at the top is the total, or we also use the word whole, and the two numbers on the bottom are called our parts, right? But it's subtraction's a little bit different than addition, okay? Because with subtraction, we always start with the total. So the total is going to go up in the top circle. So we started with 5 ducks. And how many ducks did we cross off? We crossed off 2. And how many ducks are left? 3, right? And so 3 goes over here. So the 5, this is our total. The 2 is one of our parts over here. And the 3 is going to be the other part. And remember, when you put two parts together, it makes the total. So if we put these two back together, if we put 2 and 3 back together, it would make 5. Okay, if we put 3 with 2 or 2 with 3, both of those would make 5. So we can use addition and subtraction. We can use a number bond to help us solve addition and subtraction problems. Okay, so I just want you to know how we put our numbers in the number bond when we are learning about subtraction too, right? We used it for addition, and now we're going to see it for subtraction. Okay, boys and girls, so now what you're going to do, it's your job. I'm going to show you your activity. Now that we're finished, you are going to draw me a picture of your 5 ducks, okay, just like Mrs. Huber did. You are going to write this subtraction sentence underneath. Let's read it. It says 5, take away 1. I want you to use the crossing out strategy to help you to solve this. So you're going to write your answer to 5 minus 1, and then I want you to put your numbers in your number bond. Don't forget, the top is the total. That's how many ducks we started with, how many we take away, and then how many are left. Don't forget to take a picture of it, send it to me when you're done. You can do it right here on the computer, just like Mrs. Huber is doing, or you can print it, or you can draw it on a whiteboard, whatever is easiest for you. All right, boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and start practicing this on your own. Continue learning about subtraction. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.